Welcome to slicing. I show you how to do slicing in Python strings. Example here is my string with a value of edtech by Meera. So I show with different indices where in slicing you have to show the start index at which the slicing starts and the end index at which it ends, but the end index number is not inclusive. So let's get started with an example whereby you are slicing with an index from the index of 2 and colon followed by the last index 6, which means 6 is not inclusive, so it stops at 5. So index 2 is T, so TECH stops at fifth index, which is H, so tech. Next, let's consider another example whereby the starting index, you're not showing anything, colon 6. So that means when you don't show a start index, defaulted to 0, starts from index 0, which is E in this case. So it will be, instead of the last case, it will start at E, so EDTECH. H is the fifth index, stops there. Because as you know, the 6 is not inclusive. There you go, edtech. Next example. Okay, so let's start with, let's give another example where you're starting with the index 2 and then nothing mentioned to the end. That means nothing mentioned means goes till the end. Tech by Meera, because T is index 2, goes all the way until the end. When you don't mention in the second one, it's all the way to then 14. Now 14 is, of course, it's ending at Meera. So A is 15, 14A, so it will stop at 13, which is tech by Meer. Yeah. When you show index 15, it will be tech by Meera, because it will include the last index if you show one index more. Next is print my string. Okay, let's get another example where you are having more gaps. Here you've been doing a gap of 1. Let's jump a gap of 1 more, 2. So when the last means colon 2 means gap of 2, DEHB. So DEHB starting with 1 all the way till 15. Yeah, gap. D, then DE extract E, then again C extract EC extract H space extract B, BY extract space, again M space M extract E, EE extract R, and that's how you get DEHB space ER. So this is gap of 2, like I explained here. If you do it slowly, you will follow more. You have to do it yourself in order to understand more and better. Then another one, starting from 0, because I'm not mentioning the start index, so it means default to 0. Then 8, until 8, index 8, and 3, gap of 3. So until index 8 will be edtech by space. The space following by is 8, starts with E, gap EDT, running E, then ECH, gap B, then after that again gap, already finished. So it will be EE, that's it. So you see here a gap. The gap is 3 jumps. E, then followed by EDT, then E, then ECH, then space BY, then space. So EE is left. Then you consider another example where it's 0 starts with 0, 8, jump of 2, because here is ETC. Why? Because E, then followed by gap of ED, then T is extracted, TE gap, then C is extracted, CH gap, then space. That's it, already finished until 8 index, because it will cut off at 7. So ETC is extracted. Yeah. Then we consider another example of let's go ahead and do some more examples here. Okay, print my string. Now when you're doing this, you have to write edtech with the string number, so it will be easier that way. So this will be, we want to do something a bit different. So negative indices, so minus 14. So here edtech, why? Because minus 1, A is at minus 1, edtech by meera, A is minus 1. So if you go in the reverse direction, minus 14 will be ending at D, and then when you go forward, it will be edtech by meera, because it means defaulted to end of the string. So edtech by meera. So you have to do the minus reverse counting. Then again minus a tech by m, because again minus 13. So the minus 3 is ending at t. So it will come to t is extracted. Then tech by meera, because because the this is minus 4. So you have to count where the minus 4 stops. Minus 4 stops at e. Yeah, so it has to come just one index before that. So that's how you got tech by m. Now when you see minus 1, now starts, let's say reverse from minus 1, and then minus 15, tech by m. Again the same thing. When you do minus 1, where does it go? All the way from reverse direction, which is minus 1 is A, and then go forward. So you end up until 15